Hello friends, this is Ashwani Bhatia. Today I am going to tell you what is the difference between block element and inline element. What is inline element and what is block element? Inline element are those elements which do not contain any break, sometimes also not a style. And block elements are those elements which have their line break and their style sometimes. So before going ahead, first of all we are going to discuss about what is an element. Element means all HTML tags. Okay, so what I am going to tell you, I am going to give you some demo how these elements are working. You can see I am putting h2 and say welcome. Then I am putting some content. You can see once I will view this page in the browser, what happened? The content will not come after the h2. Why? Because h2 is a block element. It takes its own line break. If I talk about div, div is what? It's a block element. If I will take D, it's not taking the line break. Why? Because it's an inline element. Mostly if you talk about, there are lots of tags are the block element. There's only some elements which are inline. So what are those elements which are inline elements? B, I, U, span, A, EM, strong, input, etc. These are the only inline elements. If there is something left, you can do. And I told you those elements which do not contain the line break are known as inline element. If any tag which is remaining here which do not contain line break, also treat as a inline element, you can put in this list. Okay, so why we need this actually? Why I am telling you about this? Because you can see there are lots of elements which are all inline element. We haven't discussed about the span yet, and we also haven't discussed about the strong. Strong is like a B, it is used to make it bold, and EM is also like italic, it is used to make italic. So what I am doing right now, I am putting some kind of requirement that you can understand, you should know, so that you have a better understanding about this. What I will do, I will copy the content from Wikipedia. Here I am putting the style, and I say A, B, C. That contains width and contains height. Okay, now what I want to do, I have to put some style here in this selected paragraph, in this selected area. Okay, so what I will do, I will just create an ID or class. Okay, and I will put it directly the color. Okay, whatever the style I want to apply, I can directly do it. But you can see what happened. If I will give the style by using a div, then I will call it, and you can see what happened. It will give a line break. Why? Because it is a block element. It always gives a line break. What I will do, I will, instead of div, I will put span. So why I am putting span? Because whenever I put the span, you can say it will not give a line break to me. It is directly continuously taking the content. So that's the reason we use an inline element, and wherever we want to apply the style and we don't want to give a line break, We use what? We use this inline element. And why I have used pen? Because there is nothing, there is no any tag in this list which I can use it here, and I can don't get any kind of style. Bold have a style, I have a style, you have a style. Span is only a tag which don't have a style. You can say A is also have a style. It is used for A is used for linking. EM is an emphasis, for italic. Strong is like for making it bold. Input, I told you, that is used in the forms. So now what I'm doing, I'm putting some kind of more requirements so that you have a better understanding in the future. I'm putting some kind of background color here. Okay, you can see the background color will come. Keep in mind one thing, whenever I apply the background color, it always gives the background color in the text. Why? Because inline element always takes the background color is in the text, not a container. It is not a block, it is just a text. So whenever you want to highlight a text, you can directly use inline element and put background. You can use span or whatever the any of under inline element. And sometimes there are some requirement that will come. We have to convert the inline element into a block element. So we use display block to convert it inline to block. Or we use inline to convert block into inline if there is some kind of requirement that we need to change. So guys, this is like a basic example that we have done. So in this tutorial I am going to be also tell you how to use a font awesome in the website, okay, because it is also a part of inline element. And you know what is font awesome? Font awesome is used to put the icons in the website. Any of the icons that is used in the website mostly used by the font awesome. So what I will do, I will go to the internet and say fonts awesome. You can see it will come. What I will do, I will download the font awesome and I can use in my website. Why? Because it is also used as like an inline element. I say download. Once it will download, it's a font awesome. Now what I will do, I am going to take this file and extract it to my folder. Okay. When I have extracted it, you can see the folder will come. I will delete this zip file and I will copy fonts and CSS to my folder. And I will delete this one because I don't need this one. Font awesome is actually a predefined fonts, predefined icons that is in the format of font. So now what I will do, I will put this CSS that will automatically come by the font awesome and attach to it. Min means minified. It is like compressed. Now you can see. Now whatever the icon I want to use to my website, I can directly go to the font awesome websites and click on all icons. Once all icons will come, you can see it will show a list of all the icons. Whatever the icon I want to use to my website, I can directly use it here. Suppose to me I want to use an address book. I click on it. It will show a list. It's not showing. Path is coming, but icon is not showing. Why it's not showing? We have to check. We have used a font awesome in the website directly, and the file is there. Might be possible there is some problem in the text. I will preview directly again in the Firefox. It is taking time to load. I will try some different icon also. If this is not coming, I will copy it. I will paste it. It's not showing. This is also not showing. Why? We have the CSS in the folder. We have the fonts in the folder. Okay. Then why it's not showing? Path is also right. Oh man. I don't put rel equal to type sheet. You can see. There is one mistake that will change all the things. Okay, so this is the way to put the icons in the website. You can use any kind of icons in the websites. There are some sizes that is given by the font awesome. You can say 2x, fx, 5x, whatever you want to use it. Okay, and if I want to use the icon according to my color, so what I will do, I can put more than one class in one container. There is a rule in HTML. You can put more than one class in one container. So what I will do, I will put my CSS in the web page. And put some color, whatever I want to use. Supposed to be I want to use a red color. So I say color red. And I can put my class here. And supposed to be, if you are looking to put your own font size, you can also do it. You can directly put a class. So guys, we can use any kind of icons using a font awesome. It's a professional way to use an icon in the websites. And you can see there are all the icons that are available in the website that are given by the font awesome. You can use Facebook, you can use Twitter, Instagram, you can use whatever the icon you want to use in your website. So guys, thanks for watching us. You will understand in the future how to create a font awesome, how to use a font awesome with the website. If you like our tutorial, please subscribe to our channel, that is Ashwani Bhatia. Thanks for watching. Like, subscribe and share. And don't forget to like our Facebook page, that is known as facebook.com/developersblog.